Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blaze the cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a small curve across. Then from both ends, we're going to dip it down and out. And then let's curve it back in underneath. And then let's curve it down, meeting at the center for the chin. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the nose. At the top, let's draw a small curve and a V-shaped point underneath. And now let's color the nose in black. Now underneath, let's draw a curved line for the mouth. Now that we're done the nose and mouth, we're going to hop up and draw the eyes. We'll start in the center and hop over to the left, and we're going to draw a curve up and out. And the same on the right side. Then let's curve it back in from the ends. Now inside the eyes, let's thicken up the top line with another curve. And the same along the outer edge. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a long curve down and back up towards the center here. Then let's add another curve down on the top corner. And then underneath, let's draw another curve up and back down in the center. And let's color these both in black. Lastly, for the eyes, let's hop out and let's draw the eyelashes. On the top corners, let's draw a curve up and bring it back in. And color it in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw another one underneath on both sides. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's bring it down and flick it up at the ends. And then at the ends, let's draw a small curve in. Now let's draw another small curve out. And then let's curve it down into the side of the mouth. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw an oval on the forehead. And now we're going to hop to the top and let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. Now on top in the center, let's draw two long curves up. And then a V-shaped notch at the top. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. Now let's hop back down and let's draw another curve up on both sides. Then from the center, let's draw an angle up and then close off the tops with another V-shaped notch. And then add a curve inside each one. Now we're going to hop down and draw the ears. We'll start with an angle up on both sides like this. And then bring it back down. And let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the shoulders. And then underneath, let's draw two curves. Now we're going to hop down and let's draw two angles in for the sides of the body. And then let's curve it down on both sides. Now inside at the waist, we're going to draw a line across. And then from the ends, let's curve it down, stopping higher up from the bottom. Now let's do the same thing underneath. We'll start with a line across in the center, and then curve it down to the ends. Now we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it down. And then another angle underneath. Now for the next part of the arm, let's bring it out from both lines. Now at the end here, let's draw the end of the sleeve by drawing a point up inside. And then let's work our way around with a zigzag line like this. Now let's add the hands underneath. We'll start with a curve down and back up underneath for the thumbs. And then curve it out and down. Now let's hop up and let's draw an angle out. And then curve it down and back in. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small line across. And then angle it down and out underneath both ends. And then hop out and let's draw another angle next to it on both sides. Now underneath for the tops of the shoes, let's draw a point up in the center. And then work our way around with a zigzag line again. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a line down. And then let's bring it over and up for the heel of the shoe. Now on top, let's draw an angle down. And then curve it out. And then let's add a curve down to close off each shoe. Now top and side, and let's draw a curve down from the back. And curve it across the bottom. And lastly, for the shoes, let's draw 2 curves inside. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the left side of the body, and let's draw 2 curves out and up, like this. And then let's continue it on top of the arm by curving it up on both sides. Now from both ends, let's curve it in. Another set of points up. And a larger one in the center. And then inside the tail, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for Bureizu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!